Chloe Demir of Save the Victory Roll. Today we have a quick one. I went and I got the Juvias Place mystery box, and this is the mystery box skin because they were releasing their skincare line. So they did a box where you get some skincare. I think you get 2 items of skincare. You get an eyeshadow palette, so let's hope it's not a duplicate. But if it is, we'll have a contest. And I've also supposed to get, I believe, a lip balm and a lip pencil. So let's see what we got. So I just opened the box and took a quick peek to see how it was wrapped, and basically we're looking like that. So I don't really see what's in here yet. So we're just going to take it out of the box. And then it's just with this plastic here. And oh, it's one of those plastic envelopes, so please excuse the noise. And then what happens to be a good day is today I'm wearing some Juvias Place from the Wahala 2 on my eyes. I've got some of the bronzer and blush from them as well, and a lip gloss. So it was a perfect day for this package to arrive. So do I have glasses here? I don't. But I do have a magnifying glass in case I need to read something. All right, so let's see what is the, all right, so let's just grab this first thing. And then this is, oh, okay. So this must be the eyeshadow palette. It's the Nubian by Juvias Place. I have the big size of this, but I do not have, I guess this must be a mini. So let's take a look if I can get this open without destroying it. You would think having nails would be helpful, but not so much. Oh, goodness gracious. There we go. Ha ha ha, I did it. So this looks to be like a mini Nubian palette. So let's take a look. Oh, this is adorable. Look at this. It's like not much bigger than the palm of my hand. And oh, look at it, it's sweet. So I'm gonna need to compare it to, I have the big Nubian one, but this might have a few different colors in there. So I'm gonna have to compare, and then I will maybe make a pinned comment, or maybe I can run and get it after I unbox it to double check. But that's the palette that I got for free. So it's not a duplicate per se. All right, let's see what else we have in here. So here we've got some skincare. This is the Let's Melt It Off Gel Cleanser. Awesome, I love cleansers. I think they have a cleansing balm and the gel, and I was like, oh, I hope I get either. It doesn't matter. I just love cleansing balms and gels. So it's in this beautiful orange and purple packaging. Again, oh, there we go. Let's see what the bottle looks like. Oh, and there we go. So it does the same thing. The bottle mimics the box, so from orange to purple. And yeah, it's definitely a gel. And oh, and then we have a pump. So that's great. I'm looking forward to checking this out. And then can I see any ingredients on the outside? It says the skin loving gel cleanser is lightweight yet intensely purifying. A foaming surfactant. It will deeply clean skin, leaving your complexion radiant and clear, perfect for all skin types. It says twice daily, wet face, add a dime-sized drop to hands, massage into lather and massage onto face, rinse thoroughly. And so there's no ingredients on the bottle, but I'm going to assume there is on the box. And let's see. So water, some things that I cannot pronounce. So I'd have to take a look at this. It's got aloe, sunflower. Most of these I can't pronounce, but there we go, skincare. I don't see anything about fragrance though. I don't see anything that looks fragrancy. So there we go. So there is our gel cleanser. So, and then this was $25 US plus shipping. And then I was able to use a code. I always use Fumi because I love Fumi. So I got 10% off that as well. So that kind of helped with the shipping a little bit. And let's see. Oh, and then here's our other skincare item. Oh, yes! It's the Let's Melt It Off Cleansing Balm. So I got both the cleansers to try. That is awesome. I love cleansing balms so much. I love the one that's the Good Molecules I used for a long time, but it's a little bit more tougher for me to get. So I've been using the e.l.f. and then now I've been trying a different one. So I'm really excited to try that as well. And then that is in the orange tub. And then, oh, does it have a, if I can open it, is it taped? All right, I'm having problems opening this. Oh, there we go. It's just really, really tight. Oh yeah, so just like the e.l.f. cleanser, it has a cute little brush where you can take the cleanser, and then it's got in the lid where you can slide it in, and then let's open it. And then there's the cleansing balm inside. It smells nice. It's a very, very light smell. I want to say a light citrus. But anyways, that's really nice. Oh, we didn't smell the other one, but I'm going to assume it's probably the same scent. So there we go. So I've got both the cleansers. So I'm really excited, truly, truly excited about that. So I got both the different types to try. And then let's see what else we got. And then yes, we were supposed to get a balm. And then this balm is the Juvia Nourishing Lip Balm. And this one's in peppermint. Oh, that's cool. I like that. So let's get that open. And then, oh, that's really pretty packaging. There's that. And then there's the balm. So it's a clear balm. And then, smells like peppermint. Excellent, just like the box says. So there we go. So there's that. And then the final item that we got was supposed to be a lip liner. So I don't have any of the balms. So that was another thing that I was excited about. I didn't have balms. I only have one of the lip liners so far. So if it's a duplicate, that's cool. If it's not, even better. But let's see. And then we've got one here. And then this is in the color Love Me, which actually may be the one I have. But if that is true, a red liner, that is totally fine by me because I go through them so quickly. So this is very exciting. So this is our box. So we've got the gel cleanser, the cleansing balm. Those were the two skincare items I get to try, so that's pretty exciting. We got our peppermint lip balm. We got our lip liner, and we've got this cute mini Nubian palette. So you know what? I am going to take a quick pause. I'm going to go grab mine and let's compare and see how different or the same that they are. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Okay, we're back. So I did double check. It is the same lip liner, but that is okay. It is this color here called Love Me, and it is this, I should put it on my hand. It's kind of, yeah, it's like a reddy pink. Yeah, it's super pretty. And I've gone through quite a bit of it, so I'm actually quite chuffed to get another one. So that's great. And then most of my lipsticks are reds and a few little pinks and mauves, so having another one is perfectly fine. And then, so here we are. So taking a look again at this palette here. So that's the mini version. So this is actually, here's mine, my big one. So there we go. And this is actually one of my favorite palettes, and you will see in a second that I've actually got big divot in here, and then I've got hole in there, and as you can tell along here I've got some divots here. I don't do a lot of neutral, but when I do, 9 times out of 10 this is the palette that I get. And then looking at the palettes, they do look like they're some of the same, they look to be the same colors, but I'll have to see if the formula has changed at all, because I have had this one for a few years. It still works the same, so it's all good. But now I've got this mini version, which might be good for traveling, since we're going to be able to do that again soon. Or if I change my mind, I can still maybe possibly do a giveaway. Not quite sure yet. But anyways, there we go. So technically one duplicate and a mini version of a favorite palette. So it's all good, but I'm really excited to try the skincare and the lip balm. So did you try one of the mystery boxes? Have you tried any of the mystery boxes from Juvias Place before? They're definitely really good if you don't have a lot of Juvias Place. When I did the last mystery box earlier in the year, I did get a duplicate palette, but everything else that was in the package was new, so it was good for me. And then I just did a little giveaway on my Instagram. But I know some people say that they got a lot of duplicates, and it's like, yeah, if you're a big fan of Juvias Place like I am, the chances are you're gonna get something duplicated. But that I got a mini palette, I am so not unhappy with that. So anyways, that's it for me. It was just really quick. I just wanted to open it. I will be testing out these shortly, and then maybe I can do another video, or it'll probably end up in my next quarterly favorites at the end of the year, and then I can let everybody know how these are. If you got this package, let me know what you got. Did you get the same as I did? Did you get some different products? So they do have, I believe, a serum and a couple other things in their skincare line, but I couldn't be any happier than to get these. But anyways, again, I'm rambling again. That's it for me. If you liked this quick video, give us a like, comment, and subscribe, or maybe even click that notification bell. If not, that's okay. We can still be friends. We can still discuss mystery boxes. Alrighty, that's it. We will see you next time.